Student leader Devendra Nath Mahto, who is on an indefinite hunger strike over alleged irregularities in recruitment examinations conducted by the Jharkhand Public Service Commission and the Jharkhand Staff Selection Commission, consumed water on August 5th, the fourth day of his fast, following an appeal by climate activist Sonam Wangchuk. However, Mahto said he would continue his hunger strike by consuming only water and salt until the Jharkhand government responds to the students' demands. Mahto began his indefinite hunger strike on August 2nd at Jaipal Singh Munda Stadium in Ranchi, while the students' broader satyagraha began on July 25th. The agitation entered its 12th day. During a video call, Wangchuk expressed support for the students' peaceful movement, urged Mahto to drink water and assured him of his continued support. Mahto, who had given up both food and water for 4 days, said doctors had warned that he would need to be hospitalized if he did not consume water. He also claimed that examination papers had allegedly been leaking in Jharkhand for the past 26 years. Mahto agreed to consume water and salt on the condition that Wangchuk will continue supporting the movement, a condition Wangchuk accepted. The protests began after the results of the 14th JPSC Combined Civil Services Preliminary Examination were announced on July 5th, with aspirants alleging irregularities in the recruitment process. Students are demanding the cancellation of the examination, a CBI investigation into the alleged malpractices in the JPSC and JSSC CGL examinations, the public release of OMR sheets and answer scripts, and comprehensive reforms in the state's recruitment agencies. A section of the protesters has warned of a demonstration near Jharkhand Assembly on August 6th if their demands are not met. Meanwhile, Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren said his government is sensitive to the students' concerns and commitment to ensuring justice. He said an appropriate decision would be taken after the investigating agencies submit their reports. As part of the investigation, the Jharkhand Criminal Investigation Department has conducted raids across the state, seizing laptops, mobile phones, bank documents, carbon copies of OMR sheets, and other materials relevant to the probe. With the agitation entering its 12th day, the students remain firm on their demands for the cancellation of the examination, CBI investigation, and reforms in the state's recruitment process. So viewers, let's wait and see how the situation unfolds in the coming days.
लेकिन आपको एक वादा करना होगा सर कि हम लोग जब तक सफल नहीं होंगे तब तक हम तभी जल ग्रहण करेंगे सर जब आप हमको कमिटमेंट करेंगे कि जब तक हम लोग सफल नहीं होंगे आपका साथ, आपका सहयोग, आपका समर्थन हम लोग को आपका मिलेगा। ये कमिटमेंट आप करेंगे तभी हम जल ग्रहण करेंगे।